Hi, I am Darshan Jayatalaga. Today we are going to talk about that vCenter content library. That's one of the topic of our vCAP deployment exam. The content library is a kind of a repository where we can keep that VM templates, ISO files in an organized way. Uh, just we'll have a look. For the demo, I'm using VMware Hands-on Lab. Here, now I'm going to access vCenter. I'm using the Flash client. Let me put it to the full screen mode. Slowly I log into the vCenter server. Okay. Here we have two vCenters configured as a link mode. It's a VCSA-01A, VCSA-01B. To view the content library, just click on Home. Here we have content libraries. Once I click there, sorry, I can see there's one content library already configured. What I'm going to do is, first I'll delete that one. Okay. Now we can create new content library. At the moment we don't have any content library. The beauty of the content library is we can centralize the templates and ISO file. When we are having multiple vCenter environments, what we can do is we can configure primary content library and others can subscribe the data from primary content library. Just click on the content library, then object, create a new content library. I'll say primary. I'll name it as a primary. Select the vCenter. It's a local content library. We are going to publish externally, okay, which means other users can access. Sorry, content library publish externally. Click on next. Here we have to give some storage paths to keep VM files and ISOs. There are few options. If you have any Linux enable SHA NFS 403, we can use that one. Or we can use SMB. SMB is a Windows file server. From here we can get the help. Okay. Just for testing purposes, I'm trying to give one of my Windows file server and the UNC path. Okay. But at the moment I don't have Windows file server, but this is the way. Or what I can do is I can select one of my data store to keep the data. Then click on finish. Now I have content library for primary. How you can import the data or how you can upload the template. Okay. At the moment I don't have any ISO files, but what I'm trying to do is just trying to make ISO. I just create ISO. If you have a Windows ISO, so ISO, Linux, CentOS, whatever the thing, what I can do is just go to the other types. I can import the items, local file, browse. We can add the notes, corporate, Windows, whatever thing you can add it. For this lab environment, for this ISO, it's actually empty ISO. Then it won't take much time, but in a real situation, it will take some time to upload the ISO files. Then let it upload, and we'll see how we are going to maintain the templates. What I'll do is in here vcss01 in the VMN templates view, there's a server called co-01a. I'm going to make it as a template. Yes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just right click and clone to a library. Select the library, template name, Windows Server Co. Click on OK. I think that my ISO is still uploading. I think there may be a firewall in between this lab environment ESXi server and this jump host. That may be the reason. Otherwise, it should work. Just go to the content library and see. Okay. Templates I can see Windows Server as well as the we can see ISO file. This is my primary content library. When I'm deploying the VM, just right click and new VM from this template. That's the same. Or else go to your VM and template view. We can say new virtual machine from library. It will show you what are the available templates. Let me okay. Now you know how to create the content library and how to upload the image and how to upload the ISO files. Once you upload the data, you can clone those items as well. We can have a separate name likewise. Now I am going to second control library on my second vCenter. What I'll do is go to the content library again. Here I'm going to add new content library. Before that, let me click on the primary library and the configuration part. This is the subscription URL. Just copy the link, second content library. Then I'll name it as like that. Then select the vCenter server. I'll select my branch for vCenter, and here we have to select subscribe content library and paste the URL. If you have enabled the authentication, then just click on the enable authentication and give the password. Then there's option download all library content immediately. Yes, I want to do that. Select the data store, same as previous one. Click on finish. Now we have two vCenter content library, two content libraries. One is a primary one and the other one is a subscribe one. Yeah, here we can see templates are there. Okay, these are the things we need to test it before you do the vCAP deployment exam. Yeah, thank you very much.